Showcase 2019, Saturday. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. We're excited. We're going to go to May It Forward. I got the Bronco ready. I don't have the Bronco ready. It's still got some work to do, but that's okay. So I'll just take the Jeep instead, but it's not licensed to drive on the road because it's got problems too. So I guess we're going in the Elantra. Let's go. Oh, look at your sad little Jeep sitting there in the parking lot all alone. You wish you had some friends. Oh, you should come with me.
All right, well, we're here at May It Forward. This is an event that started 6 years ago. This is the 6th annual, and what we do is, for the love of Broncos, all these great people get together, and we get together to raise funds for the Travis Mills Foundation, which in turn has a retreat in Maine that they have all adaptive sports and activities for injured veterans that came back with amputees and some other issues. And we went up there back in the fall, and I'll tell you, it was a magical experience. The people that you help there, you don't realize it. I mean, it's a guilty pleasure what we do, but what those guys do really puts it into perspective. So we try and give back. That's hence the name May It Forward. The raffle tables inside, the donation of prizes, the donation of the food, and it's pretty humbling that so many people care and want to help. So it's just a good thing for everybody involved.
So if you're not up here, get up here.
Exactly.
Now! Nashville, this was for you.
My knuckles are stolen.
Mitch, this one's for you.
Yeah, I didn't find it either. So,
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Shut up and sit down.
Adrenaline.
Yeah! Okay, so May It Forward 2019 is officially over, but it was a great time. I won something. I never win anything. This is fantastic. And also, it's a great opportunity to meet and greet the Bronco community. We come out, share ideas, we laugh, we had some good times, and it's fun to finally put names to faces and get to know each other and raise money for a great cause. And a huge thank you to Randy, Tasker, Wickman. You're the best. Don't let anybody ever tell you anything else, because it was amazing. Also, Nashville Bronco, thank you for the wonderful swag. I won it. It was great, and I'm gonna wear it proudly. Okay, for you. So, 2019, that's a wrap.
Shut up and sit down.
It's my 18-year-old son. He wants to know if I can pull. Can I pull this off?
No.
No? Alright, here you go. It's yours.
I can't pull it off either.
Oh. We are not pulling off the snapbacks.
It's a genetics thing.
Really?
Yeah.